Why us and why now?
Let's start with why now, Jan.
Because there's never been a better moment to start making positive changes in your life than the moment you're in right now.
Good health is like good friends. You only realise how important they are when you don't have them.
Look, we all know that without your health, you really have nothing.
I'm sure you know people who think their body is just a machine, a car. You can just keep driving, and only worry about when it stops being able to function. Then they think they can just shift out the damaged parts and get a new one and everything's going to be fine.
Look, you don't have to wait until you're bankrupt before you start being wise with money, right?
The less damaged a joint or tissue is when we do our treatments, the higher the chance is for a better result and the higher the probability that things will not progress further, nor will they become irreparably damaged. This is going to save you time and money in the future.
Look, imagine if you ignored that banging in your car. You'd ignored it for months until suddenly your car catches on fire and then you decide to take it to the mechanic. You don't need a mechanic then. You know what you do need? You need a fireman.
So on to the next question. Why us?
So we could stand here and we could tell you that we're the best stem cell clinic in Europe. We could tell you we use the best equipment, we have the best procedures, we have the best staff, but that's just our opinion, okay?
We want to tell you that we're not the clinic for everyone. If you're looking for bargain basement prices, you might not find us the right people for you. We don't give discounted prices because we don't give discounted service. If you look hard enough, you may find someone cheaper than we are.
And at the same time, if you're looking to be served caviar and champagne while you wait, we're not the clinic for you. We have designed everything around the idea of maximum value to everything we do and recommend.
Our patients choose us because of our standards, both ethically and professionally. We are real easy to deal with, we're straightforward, we say what we mean, and our patients get on well with us.
Our three core values are service, integrity, and innovation.
We've said this time and time again, that we do treat every patient like they're our mother or father, our brother or sister.
The right treatment for the right patient at the right time. It's as easy as that. At the moment, approximately 8 out of 10 of our patients are referring us at least one friend or family member, and we want to keep it that way.
You can trust us when we say that there are more than enough patients we know we can help, that we're not interested or looking to waste our time or your time trying to pretend we can help people we cannot. So,
are you ready to find out what you need to do next?
If this sounds good to you, you want to see if we can help you with your problems, it's really easy. Book a consultation phone call with us by clicking on the link below that says book appointment, or tell us about your problem by clicking on the link below that says tell us about your problem. And if you want, just give us a normal phone call. Anyway, get in touch with us because, as we all know, a journey of 1,000 miles always starts with just one step.
So start walking.
Bye.